I'm gonna try 3 raspberry macarons. My favorite flavor. Yes or no? Insane. You guys, I always do the walk of shame, the travel walk of shame, which is I can't check into my freaking hotel. So I have to look like whatever I looked like when I got off my freaking flight and I had a red eye. No makeup, no cute outfit. That's okay. I'm used to this. Okay, you guys know when you're just walking down the street and then boom, there's the Eiffel Tower. It's like, I'm very excited, but part of me is like in a state of delirium because I'm tired. So it's tiredness mixed with I'm back in my favorite city basically on planet Earth. You guys know much. I love Paris, and I'll tell you why I'm here in a second. But I'm going to meet up with my friend. I'm going to pretend like I'm not jet lagged and tired. And I'm so excited about eating. Hi you guys, I thought that there was no better way to start off a Paris vlog other than to eat a box of Parisian macarons. I've been here for 24 hours and I'm going to show you guys around the city and tell you what I'm doing here. We'll do all of that tomorrow. For now, I'm going to try, I've been craving these all day. I was craving them on the flight over here and I just want to unwind and enjoy a box of delicious la Deuil macarons. All over, you guys know how much I love this city, and I'm going to be showing you around and everything tomorrow. I had to have the first 24 hours to myself, but we're gonna have fun over the next 4 days. I need to unwind and take the edge off with these la Deuil macarons. I'm going to tell you the flavors. Okay, so we've got salted caramel, rose, orange blossom, chocolate, raspberry pistache, coffee, lemon, vanilla, passion fruit, almond, and ube. When you come here, you do want to eat a bunch of sweets, but they're not as bad as sweets in the West. But still, I'm not trying to. We'll try 3. Okay, I think I'm gonna try I think this is the salted caramel one. No, that was coffee. Delicious. I love it. This box of macarons was $50, which is not okay, but I'm also going to be showing you guys more affordable macarons and seeing if I see there's a big difference between these are considered the best macarons in Paris according to, I don't know, tourism. Ube, which is new. I've never seen this one before. I don't know how I like that. I'm definitely not trying to keep myself up all night. What's the last one I should try? I love raspberry macarons. Yeah, that's my favorite flavor. We'll finish these off another day. I'm not trying to not go to sleep. I need to go to sleep so I can be energized and show you guys around my favorite city tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome to, it's day 2. It's day 2 of vlogging. It's day 3 that I'm here in Paris. We got up early to take some pictures with the Eiffel Tower, as you can see in the background. And that's what we're kind of going to do today. I want to go and get pictures, like maybe at Garden Luxembourg, and we're going to eat. We're going to go to a couple bakeries. It's going to be fun. So let's go. Records. If you really take your time to look, you really have some really good stuff here. And if you take your time to look here too, they have some really good clothes. If you really look, like, a lot of it's junk, but oh. It's on. And I found like a really beautiful vintage Prada bag. Tell me if these look good. Yes or no? No? Not mine. It would be nice to see how these work, you know? There's really no price. Oh my gosh, look, I saw. Oh, I love it's. Look how this looks. Look how vintagey. I want this, I saw. You're looking at. Huh? Okay. Yes. We're in the Garden Luxembourg, which is like one of the most beautiful and popular gardens here in Paris. It is so beautiful. They have, you can come here, read a book, get a baguette, get a coffee. We just used my little Fuji, it's not Fuji, it's a Kodak instant camera that I just bought at the flea market. We're taking pictures. They're so beautiful. I'm obsessed with this camera. We're gonna keep walking around and taking pictures. Also, Aisel has never had a freaking croissant. She just said it 2 seconds ago, and I'm like, oh my gosh, she's been in France for a couple days now, and she has yet to try a croissant, so we have to take care of that.
We're walking around taking the cutest film pictures with my new camera. It is so cute. I'm obsessed. Look at the merry-go-round.
Okay, so let me explain to you guys what I'm doing here. A lot of you guys know I've been to Paris many times, and you might be wondering, what's she doing back in Paris, especially now? Well, I've been dedicating a lot of my time recently to my brand Angel Hair. Angel Hair is my beauty brand where I sell mostly hair and beauty remedies that are 100% natural and 100% work, but I learned them from different cultures around the world. I've been focusing so much on trying to make Angel Hair perfect, a brand that is not only doing really well, but offering something so unique and so amazing to people. This brand has my heart and soul right now. I am still Maryjane the Traveler on a mission to visit every country in the world, but I like to think of my journey as more of a journey and less of a, I guess, check off the box race. So that's exactly what I'm doing in Paris. I'm doing Angel Hair research, so I am actually headed to North Africa, but had a long layover and decided to just spend that layover in Paris for a few days before I head to North Africa. So yeah, this Paris trip was extremely spontaneous. I didn't know I was coming here. I thought I was heading straight to North Africa, but I was like, let me stop in one of my favorite cities on planet Earth before I get there. We filmed a lot of TikToks. I brought my friend Isel with me. Follow me on TikTok at Maryjane Travels _. Also on my new Instagram at Maryjane Travels _. We filmed so many little TikToks and reels and all that. And if you want more day-to-day updates, follow me over there. But other than that, this little Paris layover wasn't something extremely exciting. Just us eating, trying my favorite foods, doing a little shopping, getting some pictures. It was just a lot of fun with my friend. And I hope you guys are excited for the travel vlogs to be back. I'm back in my travel swing, so we will be doing back-to-back travels again. But also, Angel Hair needed my attention and my time and my research, so that's exactly what I'm up to. I love you guys so much. Let's get back into the vlog. How I did my hair. I just used this is my vanilla growth oil from Angel Hair. I just slicked my hair back into a bun and soaked it in this Angel Hair by Maryjane.com. But I slicked my hair into a bun and then dropped it on top for some. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Shine! This. I'll just. And then my vanilla growth.
We are out at night for the first time. I have to show Isel the beautiful view, which is arguably the best view here at the Trocadéro. Arguably the best view of the Eiffel Tower, maybe. We'll see, kind of. And we're gonna try to get some cute pictures, which Isel has never seen the Eiffel Tower from right here before, so I'm excited to see her. Is it beautiful or is it a gimmick?
Like a breathtaking, like it doesn't even look real.
It doesn't look real, right? It's not a gimmick, and look at how bright the moon is right there. You can see the Eiffel Tower. I don't know if they're landing, but oh, they're doing the 360 camera. It's jumping out here, you guys.
I love to
Alright, so you guys, we came to the not-so-secret photo spot. This photo spot used to be kind of secretive, and now look at it. Everybody kind of comes here to get a little photo.
Today's our last day in Paris. We're trying to get done all the things that we haven't done on our little itinerary.
So,
Yes.
what do you think of Paris so far?
It's an amazing city. It's beautiful. It's big.
It's big. Today's our last day here. We go to a different country tomorrow. How are you feeling about Paris? As a first timer, many people say, we're going to ask you 2 questions. Do people smell?
Not at all.
Everyone says the Parisians smell. It's not true.
No.
They don't have
smell.
a funk.
Well, I smell a little funny guy, but it's a guy, and it's one in like how many people would come across?
Exactly.
It's
But
normal.
it's
It's
not
everywhere.
a thing. It's right. It's
No,
everywhere and it's
it's
not a
not.
thing.
No, not at all.
So, question number 2, is the food overrated or absolutely delicious?
Delicious.
I just laid out and I just filmed a TikTok. Or I just did a TikTok post about everything I bought here in Paris. We were here for 4 days. We're heading to another country. You'll see soon. Tomorrow morning. So this is everything I bought while I was here. If you want to check it out, check out my TikTok, Maryjane Travels _. But I can still show you a few things like these really cool sugar cubes in the shape of roosters, because a rooster is the national Parisian, it's their animal. I'm sure some of you probably know that and some of you don't. But they're just little rooster-shaped little sugars, I guess you can put in your coffee or in your tea. So that is a souvenir. I also got some French blue salt. Let's see. My purse that I bought from a Parisian brand. I'm obsessed with my purse. From this little boutique here in Paris, made in Paris. And I think it's really, really, really cute. My new belt. I got some French mustard. Some French truffle hot sauce. Yeah, go check out my, a Vogue magazine. But yeah, go check out my TikTok if you want to see the full thing. We are so tired. But we have to get all organized. We're getting all packed up. And we're going to head to the next country. And we'll see you guys there. Follow me on Instagram, by the way. I'm putting my feedback in there too. And I'm really excited to show you guys around our next country. And I'm really tired. And I hope we get really good sleep tonight. We're going to head off to the airport first thing tomorrow morning. I'm so in love with this city, and I always will be. I'm sure you guys have seen lots of my Parisian adventures, and I'm sure you wonder why I always come back here. But I just can't stay away. It's very hard for me to stay away from Paris. So, I'm going to close out this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. And the next one's going to be really exciting. So make sure you tune in for that too. Make sure you subscribe, because I'm the crazy girl who travels to all the... Well, Paris isn't so crazy, but I take you guys on my crazy travel adventures. Fun travel adventures. I'm sleep talking now. I'm going to sign out so I can edit this vlog, get my other content up, pack, and hopefully get to bed by a good hour. So, love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!